Reheating ham, the right way.
Hello, welcome to our cooking guide. Today we're going to address a commonly asked question. Should I cover the ham when reheating it to prevent it from drying out? This is something a lot of us wonder about, especially when dealing with delicious leftovers or pre-cooked hams.
Why cover the ham?
Covering the ham while reheating is recommended. Why is this important? Well, when ham is exposed to heat, it tends to lose moisture. Covering it creates a kind of mini oven within your oven, helping to lock in that much-needed moisture and preventing your ham from drying out.
How should I cover the ham?
When covering your ham, it's best to use aluminum foil. Make sure you wrap it securely, but not too tightly. You want the foil to create a barrier that traps steam, without sticking too closely to the surface of the ham.
What are the steps to reheat the ham?
Here are the steps to properly reheat your ham. 1. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 163 degrees Celsius. 2. Place the ham in a roasting pan. 3. Cover the ham with aluminum foil. 4. Heat for 10 to 15 minutes per pound of ham, or until the internal temperature reaches 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 60 degrees Celsius. So there you have it. Yes, you should definitely cover your ham when reheating it to prevent it from drying out. This simple trick will ensure that you enjoy a juicy and delicious meal every time. Happy cooking, and remember, the secret to great food often lies in the little details. Until next time.